Hi there, my name is Rick Leskowitz. I'll be doing a presentation for the Theosophical Society, and I just want to give you a quick summary of what you can look forward to if you decide to come. I'm a retired psychiatrist. I worked in pain management, so my clinical focus was on pain, but I got very interested in energy and energy healing. And there's so many branches to it that I ended up writing a book about it called The Mystery of Life Energy. It will include all sorts of topics, everything from phantom limb pain and the biofield model of health to the energy dynamics between people, even in sports. I have a whole side life as a sports fan, and we'll talk about some of the sports applications of group energies and team chemistry. Also, I've gotten interested in the earth as a living being and the earth energies that involve some of the famous stone circles like Stonehenge and Avebury, and even some of the more recent and very unusual phenomena in the wheat fields nearby. You may have heard of the crop circles. Initially, I gave these sorts of presentations to clinicians, but I realized that non-professionals are just as interested in these phenomena, and there's ways of talking about it that don't require deep scientific background or medical training. And that's what I try to do, pitch it so that whatever your level is, you can relate to it, because life energy is part of everybody's life. So I hope you're able to join me then. Thank you.